Alrighty. Okay, everyone is talking about MAXN. What is going on? It's like exploding on StockTwits, it's exploding on Weeble chat, it's exploding on Twitter or X, and I just like, okay. I know I like the setup. Don't get me wrong. I really like the setup. Is it like it's not like like the best thing where everyone's like you got to get in now. But yeah, I do like it. I'm not gonna don't get me wrong. I'm gonna go over it. It's MAXN has a ton of volume, and that right there shows me, some big move is happening. A lot of shares are being accumulated. We had 85 million volume, 85 million, and before it was 170 million, and we were down only 1%, right? So there's a lot of things happening. I mean, look at this day, 286 million. On July 12th. So there's big eyes on this. Do not let this go unnoticed. So this is MAXN. Where we headed? I'm gonna be very conservative. I'm gonna tell you guys how to get literally the best entries. And if you guys are new to my channel, you're gonna see the band strategy, and this strategy works. It has an over 95% win ratio with proof. I've been on fire with these stocks. I am very confident to say, this is what I'm going to do. This is how it's going to go to, and all of that. MAXN has a big price prediction to the EMA 20. It has an over 100% return this stock can do. So it definitely, if we had the volume, which we do, we had the time distance, which is the EMA 20, this light blue band. I love using exponential moving averages, guys. We know price has to hit it, and if you have that knowledge, you are such a highly advantage against everyone else. People don't know that. People, price goes against them. There's a lot of time distance, and they'd be selling it right in here because the price went down 10%, when honestly you shouldn't have been buying until price was below EMA 5 anyways. Now it's looking more like a buy, because look at price. We've been hitting our head on the EMA 5. This is where we reject. Look at how price works. We go up and try to hit the EMA 5. We hit our ATR 4, which is a massive A plus setup buy zone. Price can't sustain here forever. So what happens, buyers accumulate and price goes up to the EMA 5. There's not much distance to the EMA 5, so algos take it down. I repeat, algos take it down. It's not us, retail traders, not institutions with the algos. And what happened is we then go up to the EMA 5, and then we consolidate on the back end here. The buy points are when it's under the EMA 5 like this candle, and then it goes right up 11%, could make some money on that, and then it goes back down, and we're back under the EMA 5. But you can see how perfect the EMA 5 acts as resistance till we break out. We're going to break out. It's just a matter of time. The last time we hit the EMA 10, which is the yellow band, is right here. Look how perfectly algos hit it. This is not a rare occurrence. This is not just, this is algorithms doing this to a T, and making sure this price goes where it have to go. EMA 10 hit to a T, EMA 10 hit to a T. We are going to look for an EMA 10 target, but we always get price below the EMA 5 for entries. So, guys, MAXN, I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm going to give you guys the upbeats and the downbeats on it. The only thing I am hesitant is the K is at a 31.78. The last time when we pumped, guess what the K was at? This is why this was such a big setup right here at we had an ATR 4, which is the lower band. That means price will reverse, and it reverses usually fast to the EMA 5. We were at a K of 4.01 on this candle. So that's my only downside here. If you look at the trend channel, you're looking more something like this. We're in this box zone. Let me see if I can get a tighter trend channel, because I don't think we're going to hit the ATR 4 there. I really just don't see it. Here is a tighter trend channel. This is what I would use for sure. Like I said, look for 20 cents, guys. Look for a bounce off of 19 to low 20 cent region. This is where you can get very nice entries. This is where you're under the EMA 5, so you're a lot safer than a lot of other people who probably bought it way up over here, or the fear root, the big wigs are saying, or pumpers are all pumping it up right up in the 27-cent zone, 25-cent zone, 24, 23, and all those zones. That makes no sense. I get the stock. I like the stock a lot, but obviously you got to get it at a good entry. So I repeat, get it at the low 20s. low or mid 19 cents. That's your loading zone for this stock. Where do we sell it? Well, we have multiple points to sell it. If you're very conservative and you want to make a fast return, obviously EMA 5 it's going to hit all the time. Price goes away from EMA 5, it goes up. Price goes away, it goes up. But we are due, I repeat, we are due for an EMA 10 and 20 touch. The EMA 10 is at 29 cents. If you get the stock where it's at, where I predict it, 0.20, and the EMA is at, and it's going to fluctuate. If you look at the fluctuation, EMA 10 is going to go down, but it's only going down roughly 2 cents. So it should go to 27 cents. If we hit it on Monday, you're going to make a 7-cent increase from 20 cents. That's a 35% return. That is massive, guys. 35%. Don't let that go be like, oh, that's nothing. Yes. But here's your big return. And I don't think it's going to hit it right away. Your big return is going to be the EMA 20, which is going down roughly 3 cents. So on Monday, this is going to be at 50 cents. And bam, 150% return profit if it hits the EMA 20 right away. And it's going to fluctuate here and there. Like the next day, it's going to go here. And then the next day, it's going to lose a little bit. But I'm telling you, this stock has leg up. So we know first we're going to hit the EMA 20. We know it has to. We know bigger volume hits it rapidly fast. I very, very rarely do I see an EMA 20 not get hit. It's usually because of low volume. It's manipulated. This has, I repeat, 85 million, 170 million, 123, 200 million. This is not a dead stock. It's one of the most talked stocks on StockTwits, Twitter, everywhere on the forums, and with every right do so. I am extremely bullish. We have a gap here, and we have a gap here, and so we should be closing in on this very shortly, guys. We had the earnings out of the way, so you don't have to worry about that. So yeah, those are my targets. The last touch on the EMA 20 was 529. We're looking at 719. Anything, I repeat, that don't touch the EMA 20 in 2 months time frame is extremely rare. We're getting close to that. Let's aim for at least the EMA 10. Let's get the EMA 10, accumulate where I said to, low 20s, mid 19s, according to the trend channel. This is a very short trend channel. It's usually where what's going to happen is we're going to bounce off these where the trend channel started. We go up here, we go down, we go up, we go down, we go up. We started a trend. So let's respect the trend. Let's respect the charts. And guys, I'm excited. I'm going to keep this on watch. I'm going to look for the 5 minutes, see if we get something. This happened so fast, as you can see right in here. We hit the lower band here. A lot of shares were accumulated, and boom, it goes up. So 21 cents. It went up to about 23. But then look at this, guys. We started going back down again. So let's see what we're going to do. I think we're headed to that lower trend channel. I think we got some good stuff. I like it. I like it. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, guys, that's my opinion. Like I said, with this strategy, you'll win over 95% of your trades. That's a fact. That's a guarantee. And if you go to my premium Discord, you can see the results. I try to only alert trades that I see a perfect setup. The perfect setup obviously was right in here. That it had a low K value. We had to go up. It had distance to the EMA 5. And everything was good, guys. So if you guys want to join the premium Discord, you're more than welcome. I want to teach you how to fish. I want you to show that trading does make sense. It's not just a bunch of random acts of motion. It is literally algorithms taking price to where they want it to go. If you guys want to join, click the link down below in the description or the YouTube comments. I'll put the link. It'll be pinned. It'd be so easy to find. And I'm going to make this so affordable that you can't resist an offer. Because I'm telling you, with an over 95% win ratio, I could charge hundreds of dollars. I even get messages every day that's saying, thank you so much. You could charge, so much more. But that's not the fact here. The fact is not everyone has big accounts to trade. I totally get that. If you're only starting with $100, $500, you're not going to make a lot of money, and you're going to pay more in the fees. Trading is hard. Over 90% of traders lose. That's a fact. Because nobody understands of how things go. They just go in, they think price is cheap, it went down this much, it should be a buy, it goes down again, they buy it and buy it and buy it. And that's what MAXN is doing, right? It goes up, it pumps everything up. Everyone's hyped. Hopium. Well, price hit the upper band. Nobody should buy in here, but people do. And then retail traders get rug pulled. Then everyone says the market is rigged, which it is. and guess what happens? They get rug pulled again. Everyone likes it. They're like, well, it was at $44. Now it's at $1.60. I'm going to buy it. Well, guess what happens? It goes down. And then it goes down to this price. It's like, wow, everyone's depressed. This is the depression zone. This is where the rocket takes off. Anybody that's getting in these prices are going to take advantage. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's my price prediction. EMA 20 has well over 100% returns. If you aim for the EMA 10, you're looking at a 30% profit. I like it. So if you guys want to join the premium Discord, click the link. All you have to do is hit server shop when you join, and you can see very affordable. Like I said, $6 a month for swing trading, day in swing trading plus for $12 a month. This is a system that is very unique. Nobody has this system. Nobody. I looked everywhere. I had to look at a bunch of indicators. What makes sense? Use the EMAs with the ATRs, with the time distance, with the KDJ. It works amazing. I'm telling you. I promise you it works. $12 a month gives you access to all my channels. All in here. Day trades, which has one of the best highest success win rates. I love it much more than swing trading, but I also have swing trading with it. All combined offer, $12 a month, and you get access to all of it. And if you subscribe on your computer, it is cheaper than on your phone. So do subscribe on computer, and you're going to get $12 a month flat fee. You're going to get RTK Journal. You're going to get my day trade alerts, day trade chat, day trade education on why we're taking trades, on the high success win rate. We're going to have swing trade education, everything you need to watch on swing trade alerts and all of that. And we recently have crypto trade alerts hosted by a nice guy in my channel. We have it all. Hope to see you guys there, guys. This is MAXN. Pump it up. All right, guys. I hope to see you guys there. It's remember the loading zone. Low 19, mid 19 to low 20s. Follow the trend. That's where we're accumulating. And I think we're going to have a nice rally here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like the video, give it a like. Give it a subscribe. Tell me in the comment section, what is your average? I'm curious. Let me know. Let me know if you're holding. So I'll see you guys in the Discord. I'll be watching it, and peace out.